Hey, savvy shoppers! Are you ready to dive into the ultimate Temu savings? Because in this video, I'm going to spill the beans on two incredible ways you can save big right now. Get a massive $100 coupon bundle and an extra 30% off your purchases. This isn't just about finding a code. It's about getting the maximum value on Temu, and I'm going to show you exactly how to claim both of these deals. You won't want to miss a second of this. All right, let's cut straight to it. Temu has some amazing offers going on, and I've got the inside track on how you can get them. There are two separate paths to two fantastic discounts, and I'll walk you through both. First up, how to get your free $100 coupon bundle. This is for that huge initial saving. To claim your $100 coupon bundle, it's all about the link. You need to click the special link I've put right in the description of this video. So, if you're watching this on a computer, grab your phone now and open this video to click that link directly. Or you can scan the QR code that's probably on your screen right now. When you click that link or scan the QR code, you'll be taken straight to Temu, and your $100 coupon bundle will be waiting for you to claim, ready for your first big haul. It's that simple to get a huge head start on your savings. Now, for the second incredible offer, how to get an additional 30% off your entire order. This discount stacks perfectly with other deals, or can be used on its own for fantastic savings. For the 30% off discount, you don't use a link. Instead, you need to use a special code right inside the Temu app or on their website. The code is COM93176. That's COM93176. Here's how to use it. Open the Temu app or go to temu.com. Head to the search bar. Yes, the search bar. Not a coupon input field yet. Type in or paste the code COM93176. Hit search. And boom, that 30% off discount will be applied to your cart, ready to help you save even more on whatever you're buying. So to recap these amazing deals, for the $100 coupon bundle, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. For the 30% off discount, search the code COM93176 directly in the Temu app or on temu.com. Imagine combining these offers. Get your $100 coupon first via the link QR code, then apply the 30% off code from the search bar to your next eligible order. It's an unbeatable combo for stretching your shopping budget further than ever before. This is a genuine win-win for you. Massive savings on all the cool gadgets, fashion, home goods, and gifts Temu has to offer, and no hidden catches. These deals are live right now, but Temu's offers are always changing, so you'll want to claim yours today. Don't let these incredible savings slip away. Go ahead, follow those steps, grab your free $100 coupon bundle and your 30% discount. Start saving big and enjoy your Temu shopping spree. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.